Totoo bang si Sagittarius yung pinaka-rebellious sa lahat? Siguro nga mas malala pa sila kasi sa mga Aquarius at ito yung totoo. Sasabihin mo sa Sagittarius na don't do that at yan yung exactly yung gagawin nila. Hindi sila takot sa authority at ayaw nila sinasabihan kung anong gagawin nila. Ang rebellious streak nila is less about causing chaos at more about seeking personal at philosophical freedom. Kaya nga hindi sila takot mag-quit ng trabaho, lumipat on a whim, or mag-solo trip. Yung iba nag-hold ng security nila, pero si Sagittarius, they know it's never that serious. Pag may dress code sa work, yan yung invitation nila to do the exact opposite. Para sa kanila kasi, rules are meant to be broken. Hindi sila nakikinig kahit kanino except sa sarili nila. They need to constantly live new experiences, make mistakes, try again and again. Ayaw nilang may nagdidictate sa kanila ng law or rule. Now let's talk about yung inability nila to focus. Sagittarius truly cannot focus pero we still love them anyway. Yung mga utak nila parang may pause mode randomly. Mind wandering is next level sa kanila. Pag may important task, biglang maalala nila, oh, I should look that up. Or I need to check this. Tapos after several hours, nasa Wikipedia rabbit hole na sila, completely off topic. May ADHD-like quality sila, pero it's just their different energy. They get bored so easily at gusto nilang lumipat sa next project, experience, or interest. The Sagittarius brain tends to gravitate toward things that are fun, interesting, or life-threatening. Yung mga office jobs na yan, challenging talaga for them, especially pag walang interest sa content matter. Kailangan nila ng constant stimulation at variety para ma-feel nila emotionally fulfilled. Kasi pag wala yun, restless agad sila. Pero ito naman yung kinaganda. Sila yung most fun at funniest friend mo. Their energy is contagious. Gregarious, social, talkative, approachable, and friendly. Sila yung naglilid ng pack sa bar crawl kahit Tuesday night, encouraging everyone to let loose and have fun. May rare gift sila to influence and inspire others. Optimistic sila to the point na it's almost annoying. Even yung mga painful experiences, they see it as a lesson, not a loss. They genuinely believe good things are around every corner at totoo naman talaga, maswerte talaga silang mga tao. Right place at the right time type of energy. They attract what they need or what's supposed to be in their life. At yung humor nila, walang filter yan. Pero yan yung dahilan kung bakit they're the life of every gathering. Speaking of walang filter, ito yung downside. Sinasabihan nila yung mga tao nang walang pag-aanilangan. Pag may something na ayaw nila o pag naanoy sila, sasabihin nila directly sa mukha mo. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy, walang diplomasya, brutal honesty lang. Kaya minsan sobrang blunt, sobrang harsh, may tendency silang maging tactless at kulang sila sa sining ng pag-handle ng situations ng maayos. Pag may nasabi silang nakakasakit, hindi nila sinasadya pero tapos na yung damage. And then sobrang galit din nila sa mga injustice, abuse of power at cruelty. Kaya hindi sila takot magsalita ng malakas at malinaw. Nagre-rebel sila kapag may sumubok mag-submit sa kanila ng authority. Generous naman sila at malaking puso, thoughtful. Pero pag nararamdaman nila na sinasayang mo yung oras nila o hindi na masaya, aalis na sila. Walang drama, wala na lang. So ano nga ba talaga yung mga Sagittarius? Sila yung rebellious free spirit na walang pakialam sa rules ng society. Yung easily distracted dreamer na laging may bagong interest. Yung fun, funny friend na walang kupas kahit kailan. At yung brutally honest na tao na minsan nakaka-offend pero at least totoo. They're messy, they're chaotic, they'll ghost you without a warning. Pero kapag kasama mo naman sila, life is an adventure. Never boring. Ma-offend ka, matatawa ka, maasar ka, pero hindi mo sila makakalimutan. Kaya drop a bow and arrow kung relate ka or kung ikaw mismo yung Sagittarius na ganito. Walang judgment dito. Vibes lang.